In this video, I'm going to show you how to install your own luxury vinyl click flooring.
Clean the area so it's debris free. Check that there's no damp in the floor and to check the surfaces are level. Then you can start to fit your underlay. There's different types of underlay you can choose from. Cut it nice and snug and butt the joints up together. Then you can tape them down to make sure there's no movement. Start to mark out and measure the distance of your flooring. Place the planks into position to see if these fit on a dry run. Then you can mark up the edges to cut down to size. Cutting them's quite simple. Score them with a sharp trimming knife, press them down and snap them. Once they're cut to size, place into position, click them together and tap them together using a pulling bar. Then you can roll over your joints. Place your packs around the edges to create an expansion gap. Then click your second course into position, staggering the joints by 50%. Once you've got these into position, continue the rest of the floor in the same method. When you come to the end, you may find you might have to cut the length of a full plank. Remove all your spacers from around the edge and you can cover this using a scotia bead.
You're looking for more 60-second tips, like and follow us on TikTok. And if you want to know more information about the products I've been using, why not visit the website flooringmountain.co.uk.